Yes, you are reading that correctly. It's almost 90 flipping degrees in here.
But the humidity is lower than outside.
Yeah, that's the plus. Today is Faucet Day. Yeah, don't focus on it.
Decided we want to center the faucet in the sink, not with the drain.
Yes.
I think that's the right way to do it too.
Yeah.
So we don't really need this in here anymore, right?
No, I think we're done with that.
Just sawdust, right?
Is it long enough?
Yeah. Mainly because the chuck will fit through the hole, but
What did you say? Sorry, about the house?
I put the sink in first,
Oh,
and that made this working back behind a lot harder.
it's almost like you put this exact faucet together.
Almost. I don't know how well the thing's going to pull in and out with the drawer right there versus at the old house. But
That's alright. We never used the one at the old house, so it's not like we ever even know what it's like to have a faucet that pulls out.
no.
I'm trying to avoid showing the inside of the drain. Nobody needs to see the coffee that was last poured down there.
Just a little bit too small a hole. I really need a 7/8 drill bit. This is stupid.
Menards has all the heavy-duty industrial quality tools you need to help you in your workshop do most any job.
Save big money at Menards.
Do you want a face shield?
Probably.
What the hell? Really? I swear to God. Oh, there's the speed square. Throw shit anywhere, people.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You want to make sure it's, over the barbs. So you want it about like that. And that squeezes it down from all sides, and that no longer comes out. Then you take this go no-go gauge, and this side should be able to go on, and this side should not. If this side goes on, it means it's been overly squeezed. And if this side won't go on, it means it hasn't been squeezed enough. That's all there is to it. Chevrolet started using these on axle shafts in, I don't know what year. Sometimes early 90s or something like that. 96, 97. 97 might be the first time I saw this style sway clamp. I was just amazed by it. Except this tool works better than that tool did. There. All those little holes, once we're done, we'll get expanding foam squirted in them too. Do you want a challenge? Try working with a camera person with ADD. It can be a lot of fun sometimes. 56 bus seats? I got you there too. Check out this next clip. Because that arm comes and pushes to about here, which is perfectly
so
fine.
If they're long, then it's more flexible
Yep.
for them to just go back.
Have it hooked up down here, it can push back a little.
Hi guys.
What?
The cranes are on the mound. But this camera zooms in slow.
Yeah.
These are our fairly daily visitors. And yes, I am the weirdo that named one of them Frasier. Because really, if you have cranes in your backyard and you don't name one Frasier, what is wrong with you?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Oh, shut up. I think the other one must be Niles. The girls
Looks
have
like
to...
a weenie.
The girls... No, because the girls have to be on the nests or with the babies.
There. Now this will just be back like that, and the garden hose will be strung in forward from back there. Then we're going to turn the water on. We can look for leaks before we put stuff away and close the door.
Sounds like a good idea.
It's got to be a dead.
Oh, I have to turn this on first, don't I?
Yeah.
It's blue, right?
Yep.
Ah, there we go. Wondering to myself, why didn't that work? It's got some line to get through, doesn't it? Yeah, I can see why that would need to be flushed before you use it.
Dump that into your white tank or your freshwater tank.
Yeah. Wow. So Connor and I are having a fire while Andy is on his road trip with Allison, checking out a new place for her to live. And we're getting attacked by mosquitoes. Like crazy attacked by mosquitoes. Can we see the fire? There's the fire. We're having dinner while we're out here. And there's this lovely fog that I don't know if you can really see, but it's come rolling across the field here like out of nowhere. And it's pretty and creepy all at the same time.
I lost my miter gauge from my table saw somewhere in the move. I don't know, I'll find it sooner or later. But I've been using a speed square and a circular saw, and the more I use the circular saw with the speed square, I've never had a cordless circular saw until I started working on the bus. I think the cordless part of it really makes it better than the table saw. And I don't know, maybe I don't need a table saw after all.
Moments later.
We want the drawer below the sink to be mostly functional. So I have to build now a little like L-shaped wall and then notch out the rear so it'll fit around the drain. This board is going to go in here about there. I don't have the final measurement yet. Then this board's going to have to get trimmed on this side to kind of fit this little angle, and then I'll trim the straight side once I have this side the way I like it. And that'll allow the front of the drawer and this side of the drawer to be used while the back of the drawer gets cut out back there for the plumbing. The pieces are cut, now I just have to glue them in place using my favorite glue. I hate this stuff. Get myself my Sharpie again.
It's under your knee.
There, that should fit around the drain. Perfect, huh?
Perfect, except it needs to...
So this needs to touch here, so that's how many inches back we still have to go.
Oh, the faucet head?
Yeah. Now it's all the way back in. Today I'm cutting the steel to make the rest of the floor in the front flat, and I realize I'm like 87 inches short.
Eventually.
I've got it redesigned now. I just got to get my pieces cut and get it done. I'm working inside the clubhouse today because, what is it? It says it's 84 in here. It's, I don't know. It's hotter than that outside. Thermometer's up a little bit high in here too. Down on the floor, it's not too bad.
Be authentically you, because there is now, like, I think the best measure sometimes of
I'd like to start out with, we don't actually have a sponsorship from Menards.
Yes, despite that glorious commercial in there.
It would really be nice if we did, and hey Menards, if you're listening, you know how to get a hold of me. We spend a lot of money there between the remodel of the house and now the building of the bus.
It is so dangerous to remodel a house when your backyard neighbor is Menards.
Yeah, our old house was about 100 feet from the back of Menards, and still my favorite store.
If I remember going through the receipts correctly, there was a time period there for about 4 months where you went to Menards 3 or 4 times a day.
Thanks for watching our video. Until next time, peace.
Bye. No, what?
Whatever you're doing, no.
I'm filming Dad.